Listen, this is our first question of exercise 11.1. So what is the first question? Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio of 5:8. Measure the 2 points. Listen carefully. They have given you, we have to draw 7.6 centimeter one line segment. After that, we have to divide that line segment into 5:8 ratio. Then we have to measure those two parts, which means in the ratio two parts are there now. One is 5, another is 8. So we have to divide those two parts. That is the question. So now listen here. First we are going to draw our line segment. First I am marking a point A. From here I am going to draw 7.6 centimeter one line segment. Right? I am going to mark the end point as B. Now I am going to draw an acute angled line. Right? Next, from the compass, keeping A as center, I am going to draw an arc on the line. And I am going to mark that as A1. Without changing the radius, I am keeping A1 as center and I am drawing another arc. I am going to mark that as A2. Again the same procedure. From A2, without changing the radius, A3 I am drawing. Likewise, we have to draw till A13. Clear? So why A13 means, see in the question they have given 5:8. So add 5 plus 8 you will get 13. So till A13 we have to draw. Clear? So our A4 came. Next A5, A6, likewise till A13. A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, and finally A13. After this, we are going to join our point B and A13. Yes. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to draw one parallel line to our B13 from A5. So mark that point as P. So measure the AP. If you measure AP, you will get 2.9 centimeter. Then again we are going to measure that PB. We are going to get 4.7 centimeter. See, so 2.9 plus 4.7 you will get 7.6 centimeter. This is what our line segment, isn't it? So see, it nicely it divided in the ratio of 5:8. So this is the required ratio. Clear? First we have to draw a line segment with the measurement of 7.6 centimeter. Then we have to draw an acute line. Next, with A as center, I have to draw one arc with some radius, that is A1. From A1, without changing the radius, I have to draw A2 till A13 I have to draw, because 5:8 ratio, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Later, I am going to join that B and A13. Next, I am going to draw one parallel line to B and A13 from A5. Right? So, if you measure AP, it is 2.9, and if you measure PB, 4.7. This is our required ratio. Clear this problem? Hello everyone, here this is our exercise 11.2 first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. See, we are going to draw a circle of 6 cm radius from a point 10 cm away from its center. From the center, we have to draw a 10 cm away. From that only we are going to draw the tangents, right? So now we will see how to draw. First, they have given that we have to mark a point O. So with 6 centimeter radius, I am drawing one circle. Okay. So from the center, 10 centimeter away. So from the center, it should be 10 centimeter away. I am marking a point P. Now, with O as center and length more than half, radius I am taking, and I am drawing an arc from O and from P. Then I am marking the point of intersection as A. Again, without changing the radius, I am drawing the arc from P, the other side, and from O. Like perpendicular line we will draw now. So, like that. So, now I am going to mark the another intersection point as B. Now I am going to join these two intersection points and the center of intersection, which is M. So from M, I am going to draw the another circle with the radius P. Now I am going to mark the intersection of two circles, that is Q, and in the upper portion also it is R. Now I am going to join PQ and PR. These PQ and PR are the required tangents. Right? I am going to measure this PQ and PR. While measuring, I am getting 8 centimeter of PQ and PR. This is what they are asking us to draw. Clear? So next, our second question. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Right? So here also we are going to draw the tangents, but here now it is concentric circles. Concentric circle means same center and different radii. Okay? So here they have given two radius. One is 4 centimeter, another one is 6 centimeter. So now we will see how to draw the tangent. First I am going to take the center point O. With 4 centimeter radius, I am drawing one circle. Again from the center, 6 centimeter radius, I am drawing another circle. Right? I am going to mark a point P on the outer circle and I am joining OP. Now with the compass more than the half radius, I am drawing two arcs from the center O. Again, without changing the radius, with P as center, I am drawing the another two arcs. Now I am going to join those two arcs. Before that, I am marking the intersection point as A and B. Now I am going to join those 2 points. Right. And this center point also. This intersection point. M I am going to draw one circle with the radius of O. Now those two circles will intersect. See the purple color and red color circle. So marking Q and R. Now I am going to join PQ and PR. This is the required tangent. Clear? Now this is our third question. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. See, nothing. We are going to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Okay. Next we are going to, from that circle, we are going to take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. In the diameter of that, we are going to take P and Q 2 points. Right? Each at a distance of 7 centimeter. Each should be at the distance of 7 centimeter from the center. Okay, when you see the figure now while drawing, you will get clearly the idea of that. Right? So now we will see. First we are going to draw the circle, right? For that I am fixing the center as O with 3 centimeter. Center I am drawing a circle. Right? Then what we have to do, I am marking 2 points P and Q. That should be the extension of the diameter. Listen carefully here. This PQ is the diameter. Right? That is clear, na? We are extending the diameter and marking the 2 points as P and Q. Right? So from there, with P as center and more than half of the length, I am drawing arcs. From P, I am drawing 2 arcs. Right? From the upper side and the down. Again, from O, without changing the radius, I am drawing other 2 arcs. Now the intersection point, I am going to mark that as A and B. Now join the line. Clear? And the line and the PQ is intersecting, na? That point I am going to mark it as C. From C, I am going to draw one circle with the radius OC. Now, this purple color circle and red color circle intersecting the point, I am marking as R and S. Now, I am joining PR and PS. So I got the 2 tangents, which is PR and PS. The same procedure I am going to repeat to the other side of this, right? What I am going to do, with the center of O, I am going to draw two arcs. Again, without changing the radius, I am going to keep my center as Q and I am going to draw another arc. What are all the things we did for that purple color circle, na? We are going to do the same. So listen carefully. Again from O, without changing, I did. Again, don't change the radius. Keep the center as Q and draw. What is the next step? We have to mark the point of intersection and we have to join it. So here I am marking as D and here it is E. Next I am going to join this. Now this DE line and this OQ line and a PQ line, that intersecting point I am going to mark it as F. With F center, FO radius, I am drawing another circle. After that, this blue color circle and red color circle intersecting point, that I am going to mark it as T and U. Now I am going to join those two tangents, QT and QU. Clear? So PR, PS, QT, QU. These are all the tangents we need from P and Q. Easiest problem, with one single circle, we are extending the diameter from P to Q. Again, we are drawing from P side one circle and Q side one circle, joining the tangents. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. We are going to draw pair of tangents from the circle. So that circle radius should be 5 cm which are inclined to each other at angle of 60 degree. So what is the meaning? Two tangents we are drawing from a point, right? That point angle should be 60 degree. Okay. So now we will see how to draw. First we have to draw a circle. For that I am marking a point O as my center. From this radius 5 cm, I am drawing a circle, right? After drawing, I am going to mark a point on the circle, that is A. This is my radius, isn't it? So I am joining O and A. See, 90 degree. We are going to draw 90 degree from this. Okay. From O we are going to draw 120 degree. Why 120 degree we are making means, overall 180 degree, here 60 degree we have to incline because of that. Next from R, 90 degree we are drawing another line. So I am marking the point as P, A and this P, B are my tangents. Check, this angle is definitely 60 degree. This is what we need. Clear? Easy problem. Next, our fifth question. Draw line segment AB of length 8 cm. First we have to draw a line of AB with 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Okay. With A we have to draw 4 centimeter, and with B we have to draw 3 centimeter radius circle. Two circles we have to draw. Then construct tangents to each circle from the center to the other circle. See, usually we will draw outside, but here the extended point, the point is the center. From that we are going to draw the tangents. Interesting problem. So we will see now. See, first they only given we have to draw line segment AB. So I am going to draw the line segment AB with length 8 centimeter. Okay na? So another point B I am going to mark. After that, with A as center, 4 centimeter radius I am drawing one circle, and B as center, 3 centimeter radius I am drawing another circle. Right? Next, from A, half of the length I am taking as radius, and I am going to draw two arcs. From B, without changing, I am going to draw two arcs without changing the radius. Right? Now I am going to mark the intersection point of the arcs C and D, and I am going to join that CD. CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. I joined that. Next, the intersection point of two lines will be E. With that EB radius or AE radius, I am drawing another circle. Now, from the intersection point, I am going to mark with the purple color and the blue color circle P and Q. The same, this blue and purple color R and S. Now, from the center we have to join. So, A to P and A to Q. Right? Next, from B to R and B to S. So, this is the required tangents we drawn. Right? Nothing. First we have to draw one line segment of 8 centimeter. Then from A I am drawing 4 centimeter radius one circle. From B I am drawing 3 centimeter radius another circle. Next I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, which means half of the length I have to take, and I have to draw the arc from both the sides. I am joining the line. Next, the joining point, the intersection point I am marking, keeping that as center, and I am drawing, with that I am drawing another circle. Right? After that, the circles intersecting na, that point I am marking, I am joining the tangents. Clear? Here this is our sixth question. Let ABC be a right triangle, in which AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B equal to 90 degree. This is a normal basic question to draw a triangle. Now, BD is the perpendicular from B on C, on AC. Right? BD we have to draw perpendicular. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. Next, the circle through BCD is drawn. From BCD with the help of BCD. I mean, we have to touch that BCD and we have to draw the circle. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Okay, na? From the point A, we have to draw the tangents. They are telling. So now we will see how to draw this. The first thing, we have to make a triangle. For that, AB is equal to 6 centimeter they told. Right? So, I am taking that BC as my base. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Y means A, from A only we have to draw the tangent. Circle we have to see by BCD. So next I have to draw the 90 degree. You know how to draw the 90 degree. In 9th class you learnt. From B I have to draw one arc half of the length without changing the radius. From D I have to draw, and this point I will take it as E. Then from E I have to draw another arc. This I will take the point as F. For E and F I will draw the perpendicular bisector. Yes. Now I have to join this. First I will mark the intersection point as M. Now I will join this. So this is my 90 degrees. So from B I am marking an arc to A. So here AC is I have joined AC. Next from B I have drawn one arc. I marked the point as P and Q. From Q I am drawing the arc, and from P also I am marking the intersection point. I join with B. And I am marking as D. Why means they only told that BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. So after drawing AC, because they have given AB is 6 centimeter. So from B 6 centimeter I am drawing one arc and I am noting as A, and I am joining AC. After that from B I have drawn one arc which is PQ. Okay? Then I am drawing the perpendicular bisector for that. From B only I am drawing. Again from C, this is the perpendicular of BC. Marking the intersection point. H. Then I am joining this. Now this intersection point I am taking as O. From this O we have to draw a circle with the radius of OC or OB or OD, right? Next from A I am drawing one arc, marking that point, because from A only we have to draw the tangent to the circle. So AB, already we are having one tangent. AB and AR are the required tangents. Nothing. First we have to draw a 90 degree triangle. After that they have given one more point which is BD, the perpendicular from B on C, on AC. So on AC we are going to draw perpendicular that too from B. So we drawn. After that we should draw a circle through BDC, right? From A I am going to draw one arc and I am joining the point. Clear? And this is our last problem, 7th problem. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. See, we are going to draw a circle. with the help of the bangle, which means randomly we can draw a circle with any radius. Later we are going to mark a point P outside the circle. From that point we are going to draw the two tangents. Okay. So let us see what we have to do. First thing, we have to draw a circle with the help of a bangle with any radius. Next I am marking a point P away from that. Then I am going to draw a chord on the circle which is AB. And another chord I am going to draw which is CD on the circle. Next, I am going to fix the center as A. More than half of the length, I am going to draw the arc from A. The same thing I am going to repeat, but I am going to fix the center as B. I am going to mark the point of intersection and I am going to join those arcs. Like I am going to join this. Next, how for the AB card I did, the same we are going to do for the CD card. So more than half of the length I am going to take, keeping the center as C, and I am going to draw two arcs. The same thing, I am going to shift my center as D and I am going to draw another two arcs. Now I am going to join these two. The next step, I am going to extend those two lines. Just now we drawn the bisector lines. I am going to extend these two lines. If I extend like this, these two lines will intersect at one point. That point I am going to take it as M, and that is my center. O. Right. This O and P I am joining. From O, more than half of the length, I am going to draw, which means a perpendicular bisector to the line OP, line segment. Again from P. And I am going to mark the point of intersection. And join the two lines, join the 2 points, which is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now, this intersecting point I am going to mark it as M, keeping M as my center, MO or MP as my radius. I am drawing a circle. Now, this red circle and the blue circle is intersecting at a point Q, and there it is intersecting at a point R. Now I am going to join PR and PQ. So PR and PQ are the required tangents.